How green buildings can save you money. Our impact on the environment is a serious issue requiring global awareness and responsibility. It has also resulted in standards and guidelines to govern construction projects and limit their environmental impact. There are many benefits to property owners who use green construction practices. Greener construction means savings long after the building is completed, as a result of reduced energy consumption and less waste. The U.S. Green Building Council has introduced Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design, to provide guidelines for developers so they can reduce their impact on the ecosystem. It's an internationally recognized green building certification that provides third-party documentation, indicating that the construction practices applied to a building improves energy savings, reduces water consumption and limits carbon emissions. The standards for LEED were developed by volunteer committees. They used a consensus-based approach to establish a universally accepted rating system. The system can be used by industry professionals such as architects, real estate salespeople, construction managers and government officials to establish a sustainable environmental standard. The professionals use the system by applying the guidelines, which allows them to reduce long-term expense and minimize the environmental impacts created by the construction process. LEED standards are currently a voluntary set of guidelines governing all aspects of commercial and residential construction. Through proper site selection, monitoring water efficiency, reducing energy consumption, and proper use of materials and resources, your company's projects can be part of an environmental impact solution. Projects are judged on a 100-point scale with possible 10 bonus points. The structure for commercial construction gives points for sustainable sites, water efficiency, energy and atmosphere, materials and resources, and indoor environmental quality. An additional 10-point bonus can be attained for excelling in innovation of design and regional priorities with regard to environmental impacts. Buildings achieve certification by scoring at least 40 points on the 100-point scale. LEED certified projects have grown beyond U.S. borders, and projects are taking place in Canada, Brazil, Mexico and India. As the world becomes more aware of the damage inflicted by pollution and the irresponsible use of global resources, there will be an increased effort to reduce our long-term impact on the environment. Businesses and real estate professionals can drive this change by assuming a leadership role. By adopting these practices, building owners will have the ability to attract higher quality tenants and reduce energy consumption and waste. Ultimately, there will also be cost savings due to lower levels of consumption and superior tenancies. Thanks for listening. Find more tips and training on our YouTube channel at bettergrouprealestate.com.